Cool. I think this is good. Can you move more to the right a little bit? Yeah, just a little bit.
Am I
Great.
here okay?
Hi. All right. So, what's your name?
My name is Key.
Key.
Yeah.
Awesome. Great. And Key, how do you spend your days, Key?
Well, ever since I got my toddler, it's mostly a lot of libraries for like story time.
Cool.
Yeah, making barbecue, making pizza, stuff like that.
That's great.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Awesome. So, quick question: do you think AI is going to kill us all or take our jobs? Thoughts?
I think it's already taken most of our jobs.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Did it take your job?
Well, it did for over a year until
Oh my gosh! What did you do before?
Well, maybe part of the problem. I did software development.
You did software development, and
Yes.
AI took your job.
I don't know if it.
But
I think it affected
It
for
affected.
sure. Yeah.
Okay, got it. Oh man, how does that make you feel?
I don't think we're prepared for it. I wasn't prepared for it, but I think most people are not prepared for it. That's why we had a lot of like layoffs, and a lot of people are still in the market looking for jobs.
Where did you work before?
Before, it's a small startup in San Mateo.
Cool. Okay, got it. Okay, so what about the kill us all part? Thoughts on that? Do you think it'll kill us all?
Oh, I don't know about that. I don't think I know enough
Not
if
sure.
it'll kill us because there's no evidence
Do you
right
think
now.
it's a non-zero chance?
I think it might affect us in a different way where it consumes like a lot of power, a lot of electricity.
I see.
Maybe there are other effects.
Oh, like
of the
climate change killing us all
That
because
would
of consumption of. Okay.
Right.
Got it. Okay, so other thoughts. Do you trust AI more than you trust politicians?
Possibly.
Possibly.
Because politicians, so far, I think especially here in Oakland, politicians they don't have the best record. Some of them had to be removed for investigation,
Yeah.
I think Mayor Seng Tao. But I'm not saying AI is fully trustworthy.
But some politicians, maybe you take it over?
I'll take AI over any politician.
Any politician.
Yeah,
Okay.
especially the president.
That's
or-
so AI president over AI president over a current president, you would take that?
I wouldn't be opposed to it.
Would not be opposed. Okay, got it. Okay, a couple other thoughts. What are your thoughts on like AI boyfriend, AI girlfriend, AI companionship? Like that's starting to become a thing. What do you think about that?
That's actually already trending in China. A lot of
Tell me about
there's like some documentaries where younger generations are preferring to have relationships with main characters of a game.
Wow.
Yeah. I think it would happen as well. So
Got it. So like the kids grow up and they date an AI companion. What do you think about that?
I think it's going to be like me telling my parents that I wanted to play video games for a living.
Ah, okay.
I don't
Like-
think the older generations are gonna get it.
And then
I don't
yeah.
think I'll get it if my kids say that.
And you'll like accept that you don't get it and it's a generational just difference, or do you think you try to get them into therapy or like
My current stance is you probably need to get into therapy, but maybe in the future I might change my mind.
Okay,
Then-
you'll remain open to it.
Yeah. Who knows what's
Got
gonna
it.
happen?
Another few questions. If you could say one thing to Sam Altman, Elon Musk, Mark Zuckerberg, the people making these things, what would you say?
I think it's good to have more involvement with the general public. With more people involved, get more points of view
Yeah.
instead of getting it developed within a tech bubble.
Yeah. Silos.
Right.
Got it. Okay. So hit the streets, talk to people.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, okay.
Get inputs.
Yeah. I think having broader discourse about it is good. Another question is, do you think AI would ever have a soul?
I think that's a far deeper question. Where how do you define a soul?
How do you define a soul?
Right? Like, for example, I think it's a very long. That's like a
It's a
huge discussion.
philosophical, discussion. Right?
Yeah. Like
Yeah.
if you replace part of your body, are you still the same person?
Yeah.
Like how many % of yourself can you replace
Yeah.
individually before you are considered as a separate person. So I don't know what actually makes up for a soul.
Okay, got it. So it depends on that discussion first. Okay, another couple questions. Let's say
last question.
last question. Okay,
Okay.
last question. How if let's say we have a robot apocalypse, what job would you want in the robot apocalypse? We have AI overlords.
Oh man,
what job would you want?
I think it depends who's winning.
Okay.
If the if the robots are winning,
yeah,
I'm gonna have to start repairing robots.
that's
If the humans are winning, then you're gonna have to start.
because you got a family, you got to
Yeah,
okay.
it's
So-
just like the Matrix, I think.
So you join the resistance if it's like, okay, I think there's a shot. There's a shot.
Yes.
Okay, cool. Okay, well,
Okay.
thank you so much.
Well,
Don't want to
thank
take up
you.
more of your time.
Okay.
Thank you. Yeah,
Okay,
if you want
take
to
care.
follow me, the Robert Taw, my social media team will have it out in a couple weeks. And you
Okay.
follow along. I'm just doing street interviews. We'll tag you.
Sure. Okay. Man.
Have a great day.
Thank
Take
you.
care. Thank you. Bye.